Hey everyone, today I'm showcasing some excellent woodworking tools that can really improve your workshop. Let's dive in and see what makes each of these special. The Woodpecker's Bench Rule SS redefines precision for woodworkers and builders alike. Its etched, wear-resistant scales deliver lifelong accuracy for your projects. The anti-glare stainless steel surface ensures clear visibility, even in bright lighting conditions. Whether you're marking layouts or measuring for cuts, this ruler simplifies every task. Built for durability, it resists bending or damage during heavy use. Compact yet robust, it fits seamlessly into any toolbox. Perfect for beginners and professionals, it adds accuracy to your craft. From furniture making to detailed carpentry, this tool guarantees flawless results. With the Bench Rule SS, precision is always within reach. Achieve perfect door hinges with ease using the Milescraft 1229 Hinge Jig Plus. Its dual clamps secure firmly, providing stability from mortising hinges, jambs, and latch plates. The adjustable depth stops ensure precise cuts, eliminating guesswork during installation. Compatible with all door types, this tool makes hinge placement consistent and professional. Its durable design withstands repeated use, making it ideal for DIYers and contractors alike. Quick to set up and simple to use, it saves you valuable time. Whether it's for renovations or new doors, this jig guarantees flawless results. Experience smooth, accurate installations like never before. Perfect hinges every time. The Bora Tool Quick Cut revolutionizes cutting tasks with its smart and efficient design. Featuring an integrated ruler and adjustable angle guide, it ensures precise measurements on every cut. Whether slicing through wood, drywall, or PVC, this tool handles it effortlessly. Its lightweight build and ergonomic grip make it comfortable for extended use. Compact yet powerful, it's easy to carry and store. Perfect for professionals on the go, this tool simplifies straight cuts, bevels, and miters with exceptional accuracy. Save time and energy while achieving flawless results on every project. Perfect for any skill level, it's your shortcut to perfection. Enhance your workshop efficiency with the Compass RG1, RG2 Universal Roller Guides. These adjustable guides stabilize and support heavy materials for cutting, sanding, or planing. Designed to reduce friction, the rollers allow materials to glide effortlessly, ensuring cleaner results. Adjustable height and universal compatibility make them ideal for any tool setup. Their rugged construction supports even the heaviest work pieces with ease. Lightweight and portable, they're perfect for small or large workshops alike. These roller guides improve precision while enhancing safety during tough jobs. Whether you're a woodworker or metalworker, they simplify complex tasks. Upgrade your workflow with these versatile guides. The Ox Trade Pack Down Sawhorse delivers unmatched strength and portability in one tool. Built to hold heavy loads, it provides a sturdy platform for cutting, assembling, or supporting materials. Its anti-slip surface ensures safety, keeping your workpieces secure during use. The foldable design allows for compact storage and easy transport, ideal for tight spaces. Durable enough for construction sites and versatile for home workshops, it's a reliable companion. Its lightweight frame doesn't compromise on toughness, ensuring long-term performance. Perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike, it adapts to any project. Stability, strength, and convenience in one package. Achieve flawless rabbets with the precision of the Woodpecker's Rabbet Gauge Set. This tool simplifies the tricky task of gauging depths and widths for perfect joints. With a clear, easy-to-read design, it ensures accurate measurements every time. The durable, high-quality materials make it reliable for both professionals and hobbyists. Compact and easy to use, it fits snugly in your hand for better control. Whether you're crafting cabinets or furniture, this gauge delivers consistent results. Designed for efficiency, it reduces guesswork and speeds up your workflow. A must-have for precise joinery, it guarantees professional-grade outcomes. Take your woodworking to the next level. The Milescraft 8413 Pin Doctor is the ultimate tool for repairing and replacing dowels with precision. This handy device ensures perfect alignment and depth for dowel holes, saving you time and effort. Designed for strength, its durable construction handles tough tasks with ease. The adjustable settings make it versatile for different dowel sizes and wood types. It's perfect for restoring furniture, fixing frames, or creating sturdy joints. Compact and easy to store, it's ideal for any workshop or toolbox. Suitable for beginners and professionals, it delivers flawless results every time. Say goodbye to wobbly dowels and hello to perfect repairs. Pin Doctor has you covered. Simplify sanding with the Bosch Easy Curve Sander 12, designed for curved and flat surfaces alike. Its ergonomic design and cordless functionality provide the ultimate convenience and control. The 3 rotating pads deliver even sanding, ensuring a smooth finish on any material. Ideal for wood, metal, or plastic, it adapts effortlessly to your project needs. The powerful motor and variable speed settings let you tackle tasks with precision. Compact and lightweight, it reduces fatigue during extended use. Perfect for furniture refinishing or creative projects, it ensures professional quality results. Bosch combines innovation and efficiency in one powerful tool. Transform your sanding experience today. Installing drawer fronts has never been easier with the Craig Drawer Front Mounting System. This tool simplifies alignment, ensuring perfectly positioned drawer fronts every time. The adjustable clamps securely hold the fronts in place, leaving your hands free to work. Designed for quick setup, it saves time while delivering professional results. Compatible with various drawer sizes, it's versatile for any cabinetry project. Built with durability in mind, it's a reliable tool for repeated use. Whether you're a pro or a DIYer, this system eliminates the guesswork. Achieve clean, precise installations effortlessly. Perfect drawers are now within everyone's reach. Shape and smooth wood like a pro with the ArborTech Sphero Plane. Designed for precision sculpting, it delivers flawless finishes on flat and curved surfaces. Its durable tungsten carbide teeth ensure long-lasting performance and effortless material removal. Ideal for furniture carving, bowl turning, and artistic projects, it's incredibly versatile. The spherical shape provides excellent control, even in tight corners or delicate areas. Lightweight and easy to handle, it reduces strain during prolonged use. Suitable for both professionals and hobbyists, it transforms creative visions into reality. With the Sphero Plane, every detail gets the attention it deserves. Experience carving like never before. Achieve unmatched accuracy with the Woodpecker's MT Center Gauge, a must-have for precise mortise and tenon joints. This tool simplifies marking and aligning centers, saving time and ensuring flawless results. Its high-quality build offers durability, while the etched scales provide long-lasting readability. Designed for professionals and hobbyists, it adapts to various project needs. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to handle and store. Whether crafting furniture or intricate wood designs, this gauge enhances your efficiency. It eliminates guesswork, making complex tasks effortless. Perfect for any woodworker aiming for precision, it guarantees quality every time. Transform your woodworking with this essential tool. Compact yet powerful, the Pro Stormer 500-watt mini circular saw is your go-to for precision cutting. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it easy to control during extended use. The powerful motor ensures smooth, fast cuts on wood, plastic, or even metal sheets. With adjustable cutting depth, it's versatile for various project requirements. The safety guard and dust extraction port enhance safety and cleanliness in your workspace. Ideal for home repairs, DIY projects, or professional jobs, it offers exceptional performance. Compact enough to store anywhere, it's perfect for on-the-go tasks. Elevate your cutting precision with this reliable mini saw. The Shepak HMS 1070 planer thicknesser delivers professional results for smooth, uniform surfaces. With a powerful motor, it planes and thicknesses wood effortlessly, handling even the toughest jobs. Its large, sturdy table ensures stability and precision for consistent results. Adjustable depth settings allow you to tailor the cut to your specific project needs. Compact yet robust, it's ideal for home workshops or job sites. Designed for safety and efficiency, it includes guards and easy-to-use controls. Perfect for furniture making or restoring old wood, it transforms rough boards into polished pieces. Simplify woodworking with this reliable planer and thicknesser combo. Simplify angle measurements with the Lithual Miter Saw Protractor, a tool designed for precision cuts. Its dual scale system makes finding miter and bevel angles quick and easy, eliminating guesswork. Made from durable aluminum, it withstands heavy use while maintaining accuracy. Perfect for crown molding, woodworking, or any angular cuts, it adapts to your needs. Lightweight and portable, it fits effortlessly into your toolbox for on-the-go tasks. Its intuitive design ensures anyone can use it, from beginners to pros. Achieve cleaner cuts and better fits with this reliable tool. Say goodbye to mismatched angles and hello to perfection every time. The Wolfcraft Angular Bevel Gauge combines versatility and precision for measuring and transferring angles. Its durable aluminum body offers strength while remaining lightweight for easy handling. The adjustable arm locks firmly in place, ensuring accuracy during marking or cutting. Whether you're working on wood, tiles, or metal, it delivers reliable results. Ideal for carpenters, masons, or DIY enthusiasts, it's a versatile addition to any toolkit. Compact and easy to store, it's ready for any project, big or small. Simplify complex angles with this intuitive tool. With Wolfcraft, accuracy is always within your reach. Take your projects to the next level. Speed up your cutting tasks with the Recon Tools M1 Caliber Measuring Tool, a game changer for precision and efficiency. This digital measuring device attaches to saw fences, providing instant and accurate measurements. With a bright digital display, it eliminates the need for tape measures and manual markings. Its compatibility with most saws makes it a versatile choice for professionals and hobbyists. Durable and reliable, it ensures consistent performance even during heavy-duty use. Perfect for repetitive cuts, it boosts productivity without sacrificing accuracy. Compact and portable, it's easy to carry between job sites. Upgrade your workflow with this innovative measuring tool. Say goodbye to wasted time and hello to precision. Versatility meets power in the Bosch Universal Multi-18V32 cordless multi-function tool. This all-in-one device cuts, sands, and grinds with precision, making it perfect for various materials. Its powerful 18V motor delivers consistent performance even on tough jobs. The cordless design ensures maximum flexibility, allowing you to work anywhere without constraints. With variable speed settings, you can tailor the tool to your specific needs for every project. Compact and ergonomic, it's easy to handle, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. Ideal for repairs, installations, or finishing tasks, it simplifies complex projects. Durable and reliable, it's built to withstand demanding applications. From professionals to DIY enthusiasts, this tool is a must-have. Ensure safety and precision with the Bow Products Guide Pro GP5, a must-have tool for woodworkers. Designed for use with bandsaws, it stabilizes workpieces for smoother and more accurate cuts. The spring-loaded roller arm applies consistent pressure, minimizing blade drift and improving control. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance even during heavy-duty tasks. Compact and easy to install, it adapts seamlessly to most bandsaw setups. Perfect for resawing, veneer cutting, or intricate designs, it enhances your woodworking efficiency. The ergonomic design prioritizes safety without compromising on performance. Achieve cleaner cuts and better results with this innovative tool. Take your craftsmanship to the next level. The Rockler Mini Glue Roller with silicone tray brings precision and convenience to your glue applications. The roller ensures an even, mess-free spread, making every joint stronger and more secure. Its compact size is perfect for detailed projects, from fine joinery to intricate craftwork. The silicone tray resists glue buildup, ensuring quick and easy cleanup after use. Designed for woodworkers, it saves time and eliminates waste with precise application. Its ergonomic design makes handling effortless even during extended sessions. Durable and reusable, it's a sustainable solution for your woodworking needs. Whether for hobbyists or professionals, this tool guarantees seamless glue-ups. Elevate your projects with cleaner, stronger joints. Achieve secure and powerful grips with the Rockler Power Jaw Clamp, designed for precision and strength. The clamp's robust jaw system holds workpieces firmly, reducing movement during cutting, drilling, or gluing. With a quick release mechanism, it allows for easy adjustments and swift operation. The padded jaws protect delicate materials, making it versatile for various woodworking and crafting projects. Built with durable materials, it withstands heavy use while maintaining reliability. Compact and easy to handle, it's perfect for any workshop or job site. Ideal for professionals and hobbyists, it offers stability without hassle. Secure, adjust, and complete projects effortlessly with this powerful clamp. Simplify your workflow with confidence. Keep your materials firmly in place with the Rockler Slab Gripper Hold Down Clamps. Designed for stability, these clamps provide a secure hold on large slabs or irregularly shaped workpieces. The non-marring pads protect surfaces while ensuring a tight grip, making them ideal for woodworking and finishing tasks. Low-profile design allows for maximum maneuverability, even in tight spaces. Easy to adjust, they accommodate various thicknesses for versatility in every project. Crafted with durable materials, they ensure long-term performance and reliability. Perfect for sanding, planing, or routing, they eliminate slipping and shifting. These clamps enhance precision and safety in your workshop. Hold your work steady and work smarter with Rockler. Fine-tune your cuts with the Rockler Micro-Adjust Fence Flip Stop, a tool for ultimate accuracy. The Micro-Adjust feature allows you to make precise incremental changes perfect for repeatable cuts. Designed to fit securely onto your fence, it stays stable even during heavy-duty operations. The flip-stop design allows you to easily switch between measurements without losing settings. Crafted from durable, high-quality materials, it ensures long-lasting performance. Ideal for woodworking projects requiring consistent and clean results, it boosts efficiency. Compact and easy to use, it adapts to any skill level. Whether for furniture making or detailed joinery, this stop guarantees perfection. Turn precise cuts into a simple task with Rockler. That's it for today's tool showcase. All the links are down in the description. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and let me know in the comments which tool you're most interested in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.